Too much history, have you make it so hard for leave ya? What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha, whatever, and I'm back again and again and again. I'm always be back, okay, never leaving for real. But anyways, as you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be doing some knotless braids with beads at the end. As you can see from the thumbnail, the beads are yellow. The beads that I have right now, I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store and try to see if I can get the same color as these, but if not, then you'll see that's a different color or whatever. So first things first, you want to prepare the hair. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the type of hair that I'm using and link it down below and whatever. So I got this hair off of Amazon. It's 40 inches, but I'm gonna show y'all the pack of hair, and yeah. So this is the hair. It's 40 inches. And so what I did is I took the hair and I cut it into 4 to give me this length, which is perfect for me. And then when you fold it in half, this is like the perfect length for my braids. Okay, next is to tame this. This is my hair. My hair is freshly washed and it's moisturized, but it's a little dry right now. So we're gonna re-moisturize. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair, come back, show you guys the sections, and get to the point, okay? Alright guys, so I did the sections. I'm about to show y'all this is how I do it. So I have 2 sections here, and I just section off like the front half of my hair like this. I hope y'all can see. And then I leave the back out. And yeah, so I'm gonna make the first row, come back, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I stretch the hair as I go. So I'm gonna show y'all the back of my head. Oh yeah, y'all can see. So this is the first section, and then this is the first braid, second braid. So the first row I'm putting 4, and we're gonna go from this. I hope y'all saw that. This video is a little ghetto, but it's hot, okay? I'm not really gonna show y'all how I do it. Like, oh, I guess I can. I'm gonna try my best to show y'all how I start my braid. You didn't even shower yet. You shower yet?
Who didn't me just show it?
You did. I didn't either, so it's okay, babe. Let me see. Alright guys, it's currently 6:10 a.m. and y'all can hear the birds tweeting and tooting, and I'm really tired, but I was determined to finish, and I finished. My camera is out of focus. I don't have time for this. I'm too tired, so I don't know what's wrong with my camera. I need to figure it out, but hey. So before I go to sleep, I'm gonna on my scalp with some wild growth oil. I'm gonna go to bed. Tomorrow I'm gonna dip my hair in hot water, put on the beads, and then I'm gonna get cute and record the end result, and y'all are gonna see it. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna take my ass to sleep. Alright y'all, so I'm back. It's like, I'm not gonna lie, last time y'all saw me was like, what day was that? Y'all saw me, I think it was like Wednesday. Y'all saw me like either Wednesday or Thursday when I was doing my hair. And I'm not gonna lie, it's Monday now, so it's been a couple of days and I finished my hair. As y'all can see, it's real cute. But yeah, this is my hair. This is how I styled it. If you guys want to see how I styled this hair, let me know. I'm pretty sure, because I'm about to post on TikTok, so I'm pretty sure they might act like how I did the hairstyle, even though this hairstyle is pretty common and a lot of girls do it. Pretty sure I'm gonna still get questions. So if you want to know, comment down below and I'll make a specific video for like different hairstyles for box braids with beads or whatever, because I want to do that anyways. But anyway, I'm pretty sure we all know how to put on beads by now, right? I don't know, but I'm about to do my edges and go make some TikToks. So go follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna post some pictures, follow me on everything, add me on Snapchat, just follow me everywhere so y'all can see more of me because it's summer. So I'm about to do my edges. I use edge booster. First I'll go on with some edge booster. This is the one that I use. I know they all have different purposes, so this is the one that I use. It works really well for me. And then I go in with this over it because I have 4C edges, and this really kind of helps them stay in place. Sometimes edge booster leaves a little white cast, so I just go over it with this too, takes it right away. So I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna do my edges, make some TikToks, catch the sun, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.